In 2026, Harley-Davidson takes the performance bagger to an entirely new level. This is no longer just about comfort, no longer just about size and prestige. This is about power, control, and unmistakable attitude. This is the highest evolution of the CVO family, the CVO Street Glide ST and the CVO Road Glide ST. These are not typical touring motorcycles. They are purpose-built performance baggers, merging long-haul comfort with the spirit of racing machines, big, bold, and brutally fast. Both models are driven by the strongest production engine Harley-Davidson has ever created, the Milwaukee-Eight 121 high output, more than 125 horsepower, torque pushing close to 200 Newton meters, instant, aggressive throttle response. This is not about chasing statistics. This is about feeling unstoppable the second you roll on the throttle. First, the CVO Street Glide ST 2026. It keeps the legendary Batwing fairing, but now it carries a far more aggressive character. Carbon fiber accents, fully adjustable Showa suspension, and high-performance Brembo braking turn this bike into a true muscle bagger. Timeless Harley styling, low and menacing posture, and performance that transforms a touring bike into a street predator. Next, the sharper and more aerodynamic brother, the CVO Road Glide ST 2026. The shark nose fairing isn't just design flair. It's engineered for stability, airflow efficiency, and confidence at extreme speeds. On highways, it feels solid. At top speed, it remains composed. Through fast corners, it delivers unmatched control. This is the choice for riders who demand precision, balance, and total confidence when pushing a heavy bagger hard. For 2026, both models are equipped with cutting-edge technology, multiple ride modes including track mode, cornering ABS, advanced traction control, and a premium CVO infotainment system. So they're not just fast, they're intelligent, secure, and perfectly prepared for serious long-distance riding. The Street Glide ST represents raw, classic aggression. The Road Glide ST represents aerodynamic superiority. Same engine, same insane performance, same exclusivity. Only the personality sets them apart. In 2026, Harley-Davidson didn't just elevate the CVO line in luxury, they elevated it in intensity. The CVO Street Glide ST and CVO Road Glide ST prove that a bagger can be comfortable, ferociously powerful, and packed with adrenaline. These aren't ordinary touring motorcycles. They are the ultimate performance baggers of 2026.